Hello! At the tutorial we will consider how to collapse and expand lists in a grid. Also, we will look how to open detailed table which contains the source data for the selected cell. We use the demo cube, the grid simple cube. As you can see, each category has several cellars. Those in turn have several components. We can see the hierarchical structure. You can collapse the nodes. For example, collapse the item Service Center by clicking on the icon near it. Now, the totals are shown in the measures for the dimension Service Center. If the grand total collapses, all dimensions will be excluded from the consideration. It will be a grand total only. Click the icon cross to return dimensions. Now select any cell and double-click on it. The table with source data on which this measure is calculated is shown. Our lesson is over. Dimension, dimension, dimensions, dimensions, dimension, dimension, dimensions.